In this video, you will learn how to check your payment details, open settings, go on settings in your name, then payment and shipping. Then, review your credit card, debit card or PayPal information to ensure it's entered correctly. Update expired or invalid card. If your card has expired or changed, tap Edit Payment Method and update your card details and save the new information. Verify billing address and region. Make sure your billing address matches the one associated with your bank account and your Apple Store region is correct. Check for pending payments. Go to Settings, Media and Purchases, View Account, Purchase History to see if any unpaid transactions may cause the deadline or decline. Try another payment method. Add a different payment option such as Apple ID balance, another card or PayPal to complete your purchase. Contact your bank or Apple support. If the payment still fails, your bank may be blocked the transaction. Contact them or reach out to Apple support for future help. Now you know how to fix. Your payment method was declined on Apple Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.